In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen and launching it in the background, like that. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top of your app and select split screen option from this pop-up. Now tap on the second app, and as you can see, I can use both at once. If you want to try more options of split screen view, click on those dots at the top of your apps and check out all of them. If you want to resize one of those apps, you can hold this line between them and drag it. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe both, or hold the same line and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!